Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $30 cryptocurrency no deposit bonus. Okay, if you know that you are in need of a capital for you to start trading your crypto account, then this video is for you. Okay, and I'll be guiding you on how to get it, where to get it, and also how to withdraw your profit from this free $30 cryptocurrency no deposit bonus. So if this is your first time of meeting my channel and you know that you need capital to start your forex trading, to start your crypto account, to make money online without deposits, and to get Profem's account and no deposit bonuses, all you have to do is to hit the subscription button right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because all that we do on this channel is to give people free money for them to start forex trading, free money that can be traded and withdrawable. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't do that right now, I'm afraid you might not see us again. Okay, so now that you are done with the first step, the next thing you have to do in order for you to get your free $30 cryptocurrency no deposit bonus, I want you to note that this free $30 no deposit bonus requires no deposit. You don't have to deposit any amount. It is totally for free, and you can also withdraw from it. All you have to do is to watch this video very well and listen carefully to what I'll be showing you. So the link to get this free $30 no deposit bonus cryptocurrency account will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first step for you to do is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Click on the link that you find there, and when you click on the link, you'll be taken to an interface like this. And as you can see, this is the platform that we'll be using to claim our free $30 cryptocurrency no deposit bonus. So when you get to an interface like this, all you have to do is to register an account with them. Okay, now I want you to know the benefit of joining my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is a place where my gathered audience are. So before we drop any information, we always tell them on my Telegram channel to be prepared, and we always keep them free money making updates, no deposit bonuses link, Profem account link, and how to make money online in 2026. We always teach them and drop withdrawal proofs and a lot of things. So if you know that you don't want to miss out on all of these things that I have just stated, all you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Use it to join my Telegram link, my Telegram channel, and you'll be happy. So now, to proceed, all you have to do is to register an account for this platform. So the first thing you have to do is to enter your email, then your password, then your invitation code. And once you're done with that, it will bring out a create account info. So once it bring out the create account boldly, so just click on create account. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you are done with that first step, you'll be taken to an interface like this. All you have to do is to solve this small puzzle. So you can solve this small puzzle by dragging this arrow, make it match the shape. So once you are done, it will bring out verification successful. So click on save. This will make it very easy for you to log in next time. So as you can see, the email account you've used to register, a code will be sent to your email account. All you have to do is to go to your email account. So let's add on to our email account. Okay, let's add on to our email account. So once you click on your email account, you will see the code that has been sent to your email account. So as you can see, here is the code. Here is the code, alright. So all you have to do is to click on copy. So once you click on copy, go back to the platform and paste it over there. So when you paste it, just click on verify. So just hold on. As you can see, you have successfully registered. So let's just wait for it to load up, right, before we proceed. Now it is important that you know that you have to get your app on your Google Play Store. So you can get your app on your Google Play Store. To make it easy, all you have to do is to click on get it on your Google Play Store right here. And as for those of you that are using iPhone, I'm using the both, but I usually use my Android to make videos. Okay, so for those of you that are using iPhone, you can go to your iPhone store to go and get it. All right, so to your Apple Store rather, so to go and get it. So as for me, I'll be clicking on get it on Google Play Store below. So just click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be taken to you'll be brought here to select your Google, to select the names which you want to use to download the platform. So just click on just once, and all you have to do is to install it. So it won't take a long time. All right, it won't take a long time. As you can see, it's already in 40% and it's already done. All right, so now all you have to do is to click on open now that you are done downloading it. So once you can open, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Also, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Just hold on for it to load. I want you guys to make sure that you are watching this carefully, because I will be showing you how you can get it right here, right now. All right, and the terms and conditions you have to know about it. So let's keep on watching. All right, so now if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, or you haven't yet liked my video, make sure you do so right now. And if there is something you don't understand, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. So once you drop a comment in the comment section, I will be able to attend to you immediately, anything you want. Because if you come to my Telegram channel, keep talking, keep saying a lot of things, I won't be able to reply you. If you want other people to also learn about what you are trying to talk to me about, all you have to do is to drop it in the comment section. All right, so now the next thing you have to do is to click on get started. So once you click on get started, the email you used the other time and the password should be input here. So when you click on it, just mark this box and click on create accounts just like you did the other time. So as for me, I will be doing that right now. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So just like the other time, you'll be taken here to solve this small puzzle. Yeah, this puzzle is something that you can just solve within a blink of an eye. So just drag it just like you did the other time. Make sure it matches the shape. So once you've dragged it, it will be solved. And all you have to do is to go to your email just like you did the other time also. So go to your email account. All right, so load it. And once you load it, you will also see the code that has been sent to you. All right, so let's hold on a bit. The code has not yet entered, but sooner or later it will enter. So once it enter, all you have to do is to repeat the same thing that you did the other time. Repeat it over. All right, so let's just hold on a bit and I will show you. So if you can't find it here, then it's probably gonna be on your spam. We are not sure yet. As you can see, this is it right here. This is it. It's on your spam message. Okay, it's on your spam message. As you can see, this is it. Even though it's not what we are looking for, but at least it's about what we are doing. All right, this is a security alert that someone is trying to log in to your mobile. All right, but happily and clearly, I'm the one trying to log in on my account myself. So it's not as if someone is about to break in. Okay, so now we haven't received the code yet. And we've been refreshing it. So just hold on a bit. All right, hold on a bit. So let's go back to the platform, click on resend the code. So the code has been sent just now. So let's go to our email. Let's go to our email and bam. So as you click on your email, I'm sure that they should have dropped the code by now, but they haven't. Okay, I don't know why it is taking eternity, but just hold on a bit and you will get an email. Or might as well use the same code we used the other time. Okay, so just click on copy. Once you click on copy, just head on back to this platform, click on it and click on verify. As you can see, the email verification code is incorrect. Now all you have to do is to go back, and I want you to know that the code will only be valid for 10 minutes, just as it is stated over here, to be valid for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the code will become invalid. All you have to do is to keep on trying. All right, keep on trying. So let's click on resend again. We'll keep on trying until we get it here, so that we can proceed. So now I just realized that what we are trying to do the second time is that we are trying to sign up on the account instead of us to log in. So what we're going to do right now is for us to go back and log in, not sign up. Okay, so what we're trying to do is to create an account instead of us to continue by logging in. All right, so click on login over here, enter the registered email. Okay, so once you've entered it, just click on next and solve the puzzle. Okay, so because it was stated that if we click on create account, we won't receive the password. Okay, so let's just enter your password, and once you're done, click on next and you'll be taken to another interface. All right, so once you're done entering your password, all you have to do is to solve this small puzzle. Okay, so once you solved it, you'll be taken to another interface. The password is incorrect, right? And you have 3 more chance for you to be able to get it right. So just click on pause. So once you're done entering your credentials, just click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, just click on save, so that it will be more easier for you to log in next time. So as you can see, because we are logging in on our new device, you will be taken to an interface like this. So just go to your email. A code has been sent to your email, so you will see something like verify your rules login. So you can verify it by copying the code and coming back here to paste the code and click on submit. Okay, so as you can see, once you click on submit, though, you will be taken to an interface like this, whereby you have to verify your identity. Verify your identity is very easy. Okay, verifying your identity is very easy. Well, let's just wait a little bit for everything here to load. All right, let's wait a little bit. So for you to know how to get your free $30 no deposit crypto account, all you have to do is to come to this icon of gift. Okay, this gift icon. So just click on gift icon. As you can see, start with $30 free. Okay, so this is $30 free. In order for you to get your free $30, you have to verify your account. You have to verify your identity, and you can do that by coming to this place and by clicking on verify now. So once you click on verify now, just click on confirm, select your country, click on confirm and click on verify now, and you have to either use your ID or your selfie. So start by clicking on it, enter your original name, and once you're done, just click on next and you'll be taken to the next step. So immediately you are done, you will have access to your $30 account. You will have access to your $30 account, and once you've traded it, you can come here to trade it. Remember, you can trade every single day since this is cryptocurrency. Okay, so you can come here and trade it every day. This is it right here. This is it. And when you are done trading out and you are done trading with the money, all you have to do is to click on withdraw. So just click on withdraw. You have to enable your 2FA and place your withdrawal. Thank you guys for watching. I love videos. Nothing you can do about it.